Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your returns on Temu. This video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who shop at Temu. How do you actually go ahead and see your returns if you've made one? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first, let's go ahead and open up the Temu app, which is this orange app here. Now, when you first go into the app, this is what your homepage is going to look like. The next thing that you need to do is that you need to click on the U icon on the bottom hand side. And if you're not logged in already, this is the point onto your Temu account. Once you're logged in, you're going to click on your orders. And then from here, you're going to see multiple tabs on the upper hand side. So there's tabs that say all orders, processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. You're going to click on returns. Now with returns, this is where you'll see all your orders that you've returned on Temu. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your returns on Temu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.